Well, hey guys, I'm on Harmony of the Seas, and I'm going to take you on a walking video tour of the Royal Promenade. This is deck 5. Now, there's not a lot of people here today because it's a port day. If you'll stay with me, I'll put in a few clips of what it looks like when it's just a normal day. And I'm going to show you a few clips what it looks like when it's crowded and having a parade down here. So let's head down these stairs and get started. First thing we come to is this is a robotic drink mixer. See all them bottles? All them the machines mixes your drink for you robotically. I'll try to throw a video clip of that in so you can see what it looks like. There's a shop that says luxury watches. And here's our classic car. If you know what it is, put it in the description. Let me know what it is. I don't know. No, I'm not sure what that is, but I'm sure a lot of people do. There's what they call the next cruise shop. You get ready to book your next cruise while you're on board. There's where you do it at. Coming up on the right, you'll see the pizza place is called Sorrento's. Pretty popular place, and actually the pizza on this ship's pretty good. Shop here is called Prince and Green. Look like a lot of purses and items like that in there, maybe jewelry. That is called Boleros. That's a bar. I actually drank a couple drinks in there while I was on board. Thank you. As we make the corner headed back, there's On Air. It's a bar. Here's where you can book your shore excursions. Solera. It's like they got perfume in there. Royal Port Merchants look like sell alcohol in that shop. Boot and Bonnet. There's another bar. There's a shop called the Collection. Looks like they got a lot of high dollar purses in there. I see Louis Vuitton. And here's Cafe Promenade. You can see up there, that's a Schooner Bar. That's on level 6. A lot of trivia and things happen in that bar right there. And we back to the classic car. Show you right here, right up there, that's actually a bar that goes up and down real slow. People get on it and you have a drink while it goes, I believe, level 8 down to level 6. Guest services. There's, well, you say the name, Regalia. Looks like they got jewelry.
Yes. Okay.
And we're back to the beginning.